Morning students, let's we talk about the topic Cephallum, Cephalochordata, Amphioxus. Cephalo means a head region and chorda means cord. Cephalo means head region, a modified head region presence in your body. It's mean by cephalo. Chorda means cord. So nerve cord, notochord is presence in your body. This is a common chordate characteristics features. So the head cord of the cephalochordate group of organisms commonly we are studying the Amphioxus diagram because the Amphioxus is invertebrate marine organisms. So this organisms has the numerous number of chordate characteristics. It's also present in their body. So this is the evidence of the evolutionary chordate characteristics present in the under marine invertebrate organisms is also. Okay. So this is the purpose. We will studying the Amphioxus structural pattern. Okay, va? The cephalochordates group of organisms. You have to observe, note it down. What are all the characters present in their body? What are all the chordate characteristics present in their body? Okay, so we can see one by one in the anatomy of the cephalochordata. Anatomy means internal structure pattern in any kind of individuals. Okay, so let's we talk about one by one. First one we have to see notochord. This is notochord. Actually, the color indication just we are understood where the pot, where is it located in their body. Okay, va? First one we have to see the red color. So this is a long elongated rod from the anterior to the posterior region arising located in their body. So this is located above the alimentical and below the dorsal body wall. Already we know locating places studied in a chordate characteristics. Listen it. So the notochordus, it's a primitive internal skeleton. It's the accessor supporting their stiffening rod, supporting their body, whatever they doing work. Okay, their movement, everything. So in adult vertebrates, this notochord it's replaced to form what ma? Backbone or vertebral column. Okay, va? Another one we move to the another one chordate characteristics dorsal nerve cord. This dorsal nerve cord is locating below the body dorsal wall and above the notochord. So this notochord nerve cord is filled with fluid made up of musculature of the body. Okay, so this type of elongated rod in the anterior region and in the posterior region, it may elongated to form the different parts in higher chordates. What are the parts ma? In the anterior region, the dorsal tubular fluid filled nerve cord, it extends to form brain. In the posterior region, it may extends to form what ma? Spinal cord. This spinal cord is protected condition inside the vertebral column. Just we are in the example. Listen it. Next, we move to what? Pharyngeal gill slits. Already lower classes, you are studied in what is the use of gills? Respiratory. Listen in respiratory uses. So the gill slits means it's perforated opening serially arranged in the lower bottom lateral side of the body. Okay, perforated means cold spa. Okay, so the pharyngeal gill slits, otherwise you are named as a cleft. Okay, ma? So this perforated arising of the gill slits, it's appeared during the development of the every group of higher chordate. இதில் இருக்கிற எல்லா பார்ட்ஸுமே கார்டேட் குரூப் ஆஃப் ஆர்கானிசத்தில் இருக்கும் இயர்லி ஸ்டேஜஸில். வென் கெட் த அடல்ட் ஸ்டேஜஸ் இட் கேன் பி என்லார்ஜ்டு ஆர் இட் கேன் பி டிஸ்இன்டிகிரேட் ஆர் இட் கேன் பி ரீப்ளேஸ்ட். ஓகேவா? ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் வி ஆர் ஸ்டடிங் இன் த எவல்யூஷனரி எவிடன்ஸ் ஆஃப் த ஆம்ஃபியாக்சிஸ். ஓகேவா? த தேர்ட் ஒன் கில் ஸ்லிட்ஸ், இட்ஸ் எ cleft. What is the use for this? So this is to strain the food particles out of the water. So which are used this part to filter the food particles out of the water. Okay va? So this part of the pharyngeal gill slits appear the larval stage only in the higher chordates, but it will be disintegrate, that is disappear when get the adult stages of this group of organisms. Okay, okay va? So you have to see this respiratory uses of this slits opening from the pharynx region to the atriopore, okay, anterior to the posterior region. So you have to see this in front of the anterior region, cilia like, that is hair like projections of the oral hood with the tentacles is present. So this is by the cilia movement trap the food particles along the water, okay, into the body. So the along the water of the food particles drawn from the pharynx region, that is here you see mouth and pharynx region opening to the gill slits. Okay va? And surrounding the cilia like tentacles is present. Okay va? So the food particles along the water drawn from the mouth to the pharynx and to the pharyngeal gill slits and to opening of the atrium. So the atrium which is used in the body, atrium is extracting the food particles and rest of the water throw out of the atriopore from out of the body and remaining then that of the pouches of the intestine. Okay, it leads to opening of the hepatic ceca, that is anus. Intestine has the digestive enzyme. Digestive enzymes is secreting capacity in the intestine of the amphioxus to secrete and digest the food particles and eject the wastes, okay, from out of the body. Okay va? So this is a common few characteristics present in chordate group, either in the invertebrate group of the cephalochordate group of organisms. So you have to see all these features are shaped with vertebrates. On the other hand, cephalochordates, it's a lack of some features found in most and all of them true vertebrae இருக்கலாம், இல்லை most of them having in few underdeveloped chordate characteristics இருக்கலாம், that is poorly developed these characteristics in such kinds of organism. Okay vada? So you have to say this group of some common few characteristics presents, it's also chordate characteristics. Okay va? So when just one thing, when drawn the mouth water through the mouth region to the pharynx, it then passes through the gill slits. Gill slits are enclosed by the folding of the body wall. அந்த மவுத்தில் இருந்து வாட்டர் வந்து ட்ரான் ஆகும்போது என்ன ஆகுது அப்படின்னா, just folding in nature, enclosed by the fold of the body wall, that is we are termed as metapleural fold, to form the body cavity is called atrium. ஸோ இது வந்து என்ன ஆகுது, கன்ஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் ஆகி என்க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி மவுத் அண்ட் ஃபுட் பார்ட்டிகல்ஸை என்க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி இந்த ஏட்ரியம் சேம்பரை வந்து என்ன ஆகுது, ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுது. ஓகேவாடா? ஓகே. ஸோ திஸ் atriopore locating place உனக்கு தெரியும், இட்ஸ் a lateral side. And another main one thing is body cavity. Body cavity is presence, that is we are termed as a coelomate, and circulatory system is closed type, absence of the heart organ. This is very important, you know. Circulatory system is mostly open type, absence of heart, listen it. But in this group of organism, closed type, absence of the heart. This is what is the reason for this? Heart is poorly underdeveloped presence in their body, not well developed. Okay, the circulatory system means what ma? Blood capillaries presence, arteries, veins and capillaries presence in their body. Open circulatory system means absence of the blood capillaries, closed means the presence of the blood capillaries, and also along the heart organ is presence. Okay va? But this is the very important thing, closed type of the circulatory system, absence of the heart in the cephalochordate group of organisms in the amphioxus. Next we move to separate sexes. Male and female sexes seen in group of organism. Fertilization external. Fertilization takes place out of the body. புரியுதா? த்ரோ த வாட்டர். இப்போ அண்டர் வாட்டர் லிவிங் ஹேபிடேட்டில் இருக்கிறதுனால வாட்டரில் நடக்கும். ஓகே, டெவலப்மெண்ட் இஸ் இன்டைரக்ட். டைரக்ட் மீன்ஸ் no more the larval stages can be seen throughout their life cycle. But in the indirect we did mean it, some one of the larval stages can be seen throughout their life cycle. Okay va? So the free swimming tadpole larva developed from the young to the adult stages. Stage by stage it develops from the larval stages. For example given in our book, Branchiostoma, Amphioxus or lancelets. Have you clear? So nowadays most of the scientists discover this group of organisms 5,000 species pa. Okay, per square meter of the sand have been reported now. Okay, so nowadays this Amphioxus may be extremely common in shallow sand environment la irukku அப்படிங்கறாங்க. Okay, commonly this group of organisms found in old rock area indeed and predating the origin of the vertebrates. Okay, they have no hard parts. Higher chordates இருக்கிற மாதிரி invertebrate group of organismத்தில் இருக்காது. Already you know that. So no hard parts, only made up of by musculature in nature. Okay va? Have you clear? So this group of organisms is also used for a very important food item pa. That is commercial purpose in such of the countries. Okay, so the Amphioxus are eaten by some humans in some of the country. Thank you.